I want to take my dirt bike on van life adventures, and in order to do that, I'm going to have to upgrade the leaf springs. Before I take off the old leaf springs, let me show you why I need new ones. Now that's called departure angle, and mine's pretty bad. This is all part of a budget van life series where I'm upgrading my van to go on more adventures and to have freedom in the outdoors. That was pretty cool. Currently, the gap between the fender and the tire, I'd say as of right now, it's 1.5 inches. So that'll be our baseline. With just the hitch carrier on the back, we should have more after installing the heavy-duty leaf springs. Leaf springs will improve the ride quality, increase the payload, and improve body roll. First, out with the old. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got leaf springs. The old leaf springs have 3 leaves, where the new leaf springs have 4 leaves, and they're much thicker. These things are heavy duty. All right, this is probably the best sound. This is how you know you've left the stage of amateur mechanic and entered intermediate. That's what that sound is. Using the big guns today. Oh, ouch. This is what's known in the industry as a dead blow hammer, but other people call it a BFH. Ooh. We're making some progress. Oh yeah. These are so freaking rusty, dude. Ooh, there it is. Hey-yo. All right. Yikes. We're gonna wire brush this and paint it for sure, dude. Oh, she's going up. Nice. Top bracket, same thing, cleaning this. Not going back on the van like this. No way. Work on these things. This is gonna suck. Okay. Allen wrench. And breaker bar. There it is. Yikes. Almost there. Oh, by hand? How nice of you. That was dusty. It's always nice when you figure out a new game plan. You're like, cool, I just have to do that again. Oh my God. So kind. There it is. Nice. Okay. That'll be safer for sure. This will be interesting. It's day 3, and we've got some leaf springs to install. Last night, I got the old leaf springs off and cleaned and painted up the brackets. Let's get going. I think these bolts deserve some Loctite, but we got one in. That's good. That wasn't too bad. Sir, crusty. Interesting. I didn't think about that. The leaf pack is bigger. Will the studs reach? I think so. So I was able to use a C-clamp to compress the leaves and the rubber. But yeah, it seems to be going good. It is windy. Let's see. I'm gonna tighten in a crisscross pattern. Make a nice leaf spring sandwich. Oh, I feel the burn. Ooh, there it is. Nice. I'm having fun. I hope you're having fun. Nice. Boy, oh boy. If I had the option between paying someone to do work and breaking even, but learning, I would choose that almost every time, because usually I get a tool out of it. And knowledge. Knowledge is priceless. Got the other wheel on. All of the bolts are torqued to spec with Loctite. It's been a really fun weekend project. Someone asked me if doing leaf springs is hard. I said, not necessarily. It's a little daunting. There's only 6 bolts per side. You need to jack up your rear end really high. Your axle will be hanging, so you do need 4 jack stands. That's a must. Okay. Setting it down. Oh. That spring's so much better. Nice. All right, lug nut's torqued. Ayo, 2.5 inches. We gained 1 inch, and we're gonna improve ride quality and handling and the payload. That's a lot of wins in my book. I don't think there's anyone in the world that likes a test drive more than Nala, so Nala is along for the ride. Hold on. It feels less tippy. It was a lot like driving a waterbed before, where you'd like kind of lean it over, and it feels a lot more planted. Miss Nala, what do you think about the leaf springs? That's what I thought. Oh, it is just like rock solid in the rear. Nice. Oh, it feels so much better. That's awesome. All right, this has been the leaf spring upgrade.
That looks pretty good.
Make sure you subscribe and watch my budget fan build.